Sir, at the outset, I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak on this special discussion on
आप तो
COVID-19
बोल चुके
pandemic. Chairperson, sir,
I
post-lockdown
think
of
it's
the
not
country, the central government's approach of balancing lives and livelihoods have been much appreciated. By conducting
रख
regular
दीजिए, माने
meetings
नहीं
with
जाएंगे।
chief ministers to discuss strategies to reduce the spread of COVID-19, the Honorable Prime Minister Ji has also united the country emotionally. Chairperson, sir, in the wake of the unprecedented crisis, India has been able to work on its previously untapped potential. We have started to emphasize more on Indian-made goods and digital services, which will help us to an extent. The already slowing down economy has been affected badly, and we have come to see a decline of all economic indicators like never before. The supply chains are affected, exports have declined due to the global effect of the pandemic, and the domestic demand is also much lower than normal. The GDP growth rate is expected to remain in the negative territory as confirmed by the RBI Governor. Honorable Chairperson, sir, in this context, I have to mention a few dynamic activities taken by our Chief Minister, Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh government strategy has been three-pronged, which effectively reduce the health suffering and also the economic suffering of the people. Regarding testing of COVID-19, today Andhra Pradesh is testing more than 72,000 people per day, which has made it rank 1 in tests per million among the states with population more than 3 crores. And regarding treatment of COVID-19, Chairperson, sir, in our state of Andhra Pradesh, anyone tested positive can get themselves treated cashless under YSR Arogyasri scheme, under which patients with an annual income of up to 5 lakhs are given free COVID treatment. And also, Chairperson, sir, further to assist the patients, a system of help desks staffed by Arogya Mitras have been set up. The Andhra Pradesh state government has planned to spend 15,337 crores for the entire state healthcare infrastructure. Just in the first phase, more than 4,900 out of the total 7,458 health sub-centers will get new buildings, while the rest 2,552 will be modernized. This will be the highest amount spent by any state on healthcare in the country. Speaker, sir, these best practices, which I have mentioned, which are being implemented in our state of Andhra Pradesh under the dynamic leadership of our Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, the above may be replicated throughout the country to efficiently fight the pandemic. And also our government provided hundreds of high-tech ambulances for every 50 kilometers radius in our state. Chairperson, sir, a wide cash transfer scheme should be in place at the central level like the one existing in Andhra Pradesh, wherein the YSR Congress Party government has also allocated rupees 37,000 crores for several direct benefit transfer schemes such as YSR Pension Scheme, YSR Asara, Ammavadi Scheme, and YSR Raitu Bharosa. The allocation for the welfare of scheduled tribes and scheduled castes is 1,800 crores and 7,500 crores respectively, while the allocation for the welfare of backward classes is 23,400 crores. And also, our government released 960 crores of incentives to MSME units under Restart Package. All the schemes have helped the downtrodden and below poverty line people to survive through the lockdown and through the economic slowdown. Honorable Chairperson, sir, before I conclude, be it 1991 or 2008, India has always arisen to the occasion of a crisis, and the pandemic would be no different. I am also sure that India would return to same as before, but rather than better than before, and to a much better world. Thank you very much.
Thank you.